짜잔!
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 김명입니다.
안녕하세요.
음.
나고입니다.
음.
오늘은 뭐 할 거예요?
오늘은 우리가 대접하다에 대해서 이야기할 거예요.
Let's do it.
대접하다
대접하다.
means to treat.
To treat like to a house guest.
That's right. So especially when you say 대접하다는 somebody come to your house. 네.
네.
그래서 우리가 손님을 대접하다 means I treat my guest. 그런 거죠.
손님 is guest.
That's
Wait,
right.
It's also like customer, right?
That's right.
If
So when
someone
you
comes
say
in.
손님은 could be guest for your house or customer for your store. So 그러면 우리가 대접하다에 대해서 이야기해 볼게요. We're gonna talk about 대접하다. Okay. 대접하다 it contains a lot of Korean culture actually because we educate to treat our 손님 really well. That's a big culture in Korea. So how about let's start from 물. 그렇죠? 물 한 잔이라도 대접해야 하는데 물 한 잔이라도 대접 못해서 너무 죄송해요. 자, here's the thing. 물, what is 물?
물 is water.
그렇죠. 잔.
잔 is a glass or a cup of something.
그렇죠. When somebody come to your house, if you must even treat your guests even like one glass of water, showing your love, showing your respect.
네.
However, sometimes so busy, or some guests need to go home very quickly. Then they say, "Oh, I'm going," and then you just say as a host, 물 한 잔이라도 대접해야 하는데 means you could not do it. You didn't have time to do it. What somehow happens as you are not able to.
Like, I couldn't even give you a glass of
water.
water.
That's right. 그거예요.
Because 물 한 잔, one glass of water. What is the 이라도? I know.
이라도. Even though. 이제 even though. Even. 그냥 even 할까요? Even one cups of water. Even one glass of water.
So
그렇죠?
이라도.
이라도. So
물 한 잔이라도.
Even little bit. look at that. 물 한 잔. It's not really very a lot. But think, even one cup of water. No, I supposed to treat you. 그렇게 하는 거죠.
그렇죠.
Is that make sense?
네.
Also, we also said 밥 한 끼라도 대접해야 하는데. So here, 밥 뭐예요?
Rice.
Rice or could be
meal.
한 one이죠. 하나 become 한. So 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, up to 4. And after that, if you have a noun, you have what? 하나 become 한. 둘 become
두.
셋 become
셋.
넷 become
네.
That's right. So 밥 한 끼. Here's 끼 is what? How you count to meal. That's right. So 밥 한 끼라도. just 이라도와 라도 same.
It's the even, like not even.
그렇죠. 이라도 대접해야 하는데. 대접해야 하는데. Usually this situation what? You didn't have time or some happened that you could not even feed your guests even one meal.
So
뜻이죠.
the 대접 is to treat a guest. 대접해야 돼.
그리고 대접해야 하는데.
In that the 는데, so 하다 to do. 하는데, that's the like but however.
Yeah,
right?
however I could not do it. 그런 거예요.
네. So 하는데 is coming from 하다 plus 그런데.
Yeah, almost 그렇죠. 맞아요.
The similar. 네.
I should have done, but I could not do it. 그런 거죠.
It's like, but I couldn't even feed you one meal, but I couldn't even give you one glass of water.
그렇죠. 우리 그렇죠. 그래서 people in Korea, how they educate, I mean, my mom or everybody educate their children. When you have guests in your home, you cannot just let them go being hungry, or you cannot just let them go out of your house without any one cup of water or
네.
one meal. You cannot just let them go like that. And so even when you're really countryside, even mostly in Korean house, special country house, that's still very traditional.
네.
If somebody, visit your house, even though total strangers, they say that, oh, 밥 먹고 가요. I know, stay here and then eat the food.
네.
And then, say, 아니에요, I'm going home. I need to go home. No, you cannot just go. I cannot let you go hungry. And then 할머니, 할아버지 분, they're so old. They set the table and they feed some strangers. 손님 그렇게 하죠. There's just their concept of treat their guest is very almost like law. You cannot just let them. I'm going home. Goodbye. No, it's not allowed. How they educate? 그렇죠.
Wait. Let me give you something. Let
그렇죠.
me feed you. Let me drink you.
그렇죠. You cannot
네.
just go home. 그렇죠. In Korea, of course, Korea has a lot hard time. We have war, a lot of things happen in Korea. However, it's just amazing that we kept that kind of identity, that how we need to treat others, isn't it?
Oh, it's great.
And also, when you visit other people's house as a guest, always buy something for the family, or especially if they need children. A lot. We just must buy little cookies for the little children. If we know that they have children, we just don't go.
Yeah.
그렇죠.
Never go empty-handed.
그렇죠. Unless you go there all the time. Yeah. So I'm very, very thankful, even though Korea through such a hard time, all such a thing that you cannot even believe, but just so amazing that we did not lose it. That kind of love for the neighbor or guest or your friends like that. Even though you don't have money, you just buy little thing for their children.
The 한국 hospitality.
그렇죠. And even though you don't have a lot of food, you never your guest just out of your house without eating, or a glass of water. And I'm very thankful for that. That is just such a wonderful, wonderful tradition. I don't want to criticize America, but it's just you guys stop
괜찮아요.
there. 그죠?
괜찮으세요.
It's just,
네.
you guys don't do a lot. Maybe used to do.
I was raised very much, you offer someone coffee, tea, you
그렇죠.
have like snacks for
네.
guests specifically,
그렇죠.
all that. But I don't know if it's
Now
now 지금 몰라요.
very much not really. 네.
요즘
그렇죠.
몰라요.
So when you go to Korean people's house, they bring tea or coffee right away. Just that's number one. They just with the fruit. 이렇게 하죠. 네.
네.
Just very thankful about that. I mean, we're still very strong about, especially Korean moms. Just they
한국
must feed you. Trust me.
네.
They're watching you until you're done. They just
Fill your
you
stomach, make
must
sure
eat.
it's
You
full.
must eat. 그렇게 하죠.
네.
네. Very thankful about that.
Anyway.
Anyway, we share little things make world peace.
Yeah.
네. 그렇죠?
World peace, starting with a full table and glasses of water and full meals.
그렇죠. Just little things. When you share, always become 3 times more, 4 times more. 그렇죠? Good.
감사합니다.
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 짜잔.